You look like that Hills of Eyes guy. What's his name? From Barrett.
Yeah, I went to
U of S.
Enjoying the radical field.
Balance and everything else is okay. Airplane weighs a ton for a small little plane. Well, dead stick landing. She dropped like a fucking brick. We sort of knew that. It was flying a little, kind of a little bit of erratic, but the smoke was working anyway. That's a nice thing. I feel good about that. But
it landed inverted.
It landed inverted. Good landing. Inverted landing. Inversion is good. So we look forward to that. See how that snap roll is looking. I guess she goes back on the workbench, but what the hell?
Only a little bit.
She flew. So that's what happened. Just landing gear popped out in the new wood. It didn't pop out in the old brake, so a little more Gorilla Glue, add a little more weight to the nose. Yeah, just what I need. But aside from that, gas tank held on. I still wasn't even out of smoke oil. She's letting us know that now. So we'll take her home. And,